I've been seeing your messages. Ebintu byonna bye mbadde mwogera mbadde mbiraba ebimu sijaga nti byonna mbirabye kubanga byabadde bingi. It was a lot. But I feel like waliwo some underlying issues probably. Ndoza ezitutuusiza wano wetuli as a country, and I hope that in time, that will heal all of us. It's not in my power individually to heal an entire country. I can't do that. But what I can do is listen to you and you listen to me. That's the only way we can heal each other, by hearing each other, by speaking to each other like human beings, and not using, insulting language because okuvuma kubadde kufuusa okuvuma, which is fine kubanga abantu babeera ne different ways of expressing their frustration. Nze omuntu ayinza okunyiiza n'ensirika, omulala n'omunyiiza n'akuvuma, omulala n'omunyiiza n'akukuba. We're different. So buli omu waddembe okukozesa what they're comfortable with to speak what they feel. I really hope this video tewanvu ennyo kuba saagala kubalwisawo. I know you're busy, but I'll try and keep it brief. But yeah, people have different ways of expressing their anger, and I don't blame you. And I hear you, bogamba nti mulina obusungu. Nkitegeera, nkiwulira. Nange nina ebinnuma ku mutima ng'omuntu. Nyinza okuba nga ndi eno nga maybe mulina mube mundaba, oba nga mulina, bwe mutulaba ffenna celebrities and all. You think life is perfect, It's not. It's the same as yours. Naffe tubeera ne challenges ezifaanana oluusi ng'ezammwe, oluusi ezammwe zisingako ez'abalala, oluusi nange nenfunayo ezisinzeeko ez'abalala. Buli omu abeera ne byayitamu, But the only way that we can start moving to a better place, a better country, gye mugamba gye mwagala, tujja kutuukayo when we learn to speak to each other properly, when we don't use abusive language. Kubanga bw'onoonvuma, fine, you'll enjoy it in that moment. Ojja kunvuma, oyuze nga wembadde mugaka, yuze. Naye when you're done, bw'omala okunvuma, then what? Then what's going to happen? Tuzaako ki? So for me, that's my approach to the situation. Musobola okunvuma week namba, oba omwezi, kyonna kye mwagala. But is that going to solve our problems? I want to just give you a little backdrop on my life, yeah? Sorry, mbadde nakyembaliriza wano. Yeah, mbadde ngamba. Moving forward, I feel like I need to give you a little backdrop on some things, because natandika okusooka experiencing ebintu by'okunvuma mu 2015, must have been 2015, yeah, 2015. Tukola campaign ya Tubonga Nawe. And that time was the first time when nasooka okulaba abantu nga bayinza okuvuma ekigambo noga bokitegeera nga tosakiisa mukama wako naye oli ng'akyogera. Like people were really, really angry and vile. But waliwo ekintu kyenzize ndaba, unfortunately nga kikwatagana ne mukwano gwange Bobby. Bwe natandika okulaba ebintu ebyo nasookanga ne mbi-ignoring. Kasibitwala serious nga anabaana nabo, like, because omuntu gwe banvumiranga batandika okunvuma nga bampita traitor. As far as Bobby is concerned, when he started his campaigns and when he joined politics, they used to call me traitor. And honestly, nga sikitegeera abantu bano lwaki bampita trade nini sikitwala serious nga kijja kuyita kati Bobby twakula fenna twakulira Kamocha. He grew up in Kamocha, then nze nakulira twali awo just opposite waliwo flats awo KCC flats. That's where we grew up. So I didn't see him much more Tobafe, but as time went on, as we grew up and studied music, obviously we met. Sagala ku get into detail because we jakuambo. But how do we meet? We meet at Capitol. He came, he had brought a song, I think, to promote a song. I was working on the radio at the time. Nalintanso yimba, naye nali na problem yimba ndozanga satu. You know, ku radio, banga beat. Tezali nyinji. Ngana ya atandika. So we meet and he's like, hey, Gwe, by the way, you know this song, I have this idea. I want to play it for you, man. Let me know if you like it. So, long story short, we jump into studio, we do Tatawabana, Netuzako Mama Mbide, which was a song for Mr. Charles Mbide's mom. And things went very well. They went very well because apart from music, twafuka really good friends na Bobby. Bobby yafuka nga mganda wange nga bintu bingi nyo byamwigirako. You know, I was so inspired by he had this thing of, you know, I come from humble beginnings, but I will change my life no matter what, that kind of thing. And so I learned so much from him. Twice and bintu bingi during those tours, but promoter batatu sasula. Like, I learned how to handle so many situations from him. So I give him so much credit. So Bobby and I have been really good friends for that long. So we've been friends for that long, right? When he joined politics, I was there. Yanyumiza ngabagendo kugenda politics. And I was shocked, but I was also like, I had a lot of respect for him for, you know, like going down the road, because we all know politics is not a simple thing. Some people can handle it. Some of us do not have the skin for it. So I respect anyone who gets into it. So when he told me, I was really shocked. Nene Mugamba, you know what? I'm proud of you. I really wish you well. I hope everything goes well for you. I hope you find your success, you know, in your new journey. Nemusanyukira nnyo bambi. Nagenda natandika ebintu bye. Nange nsigala nga nnyimba byange. Kiraba. Unfortunately, nafuna obuzibu the first time he got problems. When he got arrested. We were all concerned for him. Nakubanga amasimu buli sawa. Nga bwe mbasooda okufuna babi nkubira Eddie yawe. Because fena twali especially his friends. Namwe abamwagala bafaani be, you know, I know you are all concerned. Kino nkireta because waliwo omwami, I hope I don't want to pronounce your name badly. Mordecai. I think Mordecai on Twitter. Mordecai, you made a point no gamanti. Mkwano go yafune bizibu, you were not there for him. I was there for him. I was just as concerned as you guys were. Twalinga tumusabira. Era nze omu ku bayimbi abasooka ewaabwe emagere. Video time so wangu abananga. I hope I can minimize. Nzomu kubasuke magere. I remember we went with a couple of our friends to Charlie Kubabi, to how she's handling, because you can imagine omuntu ali somewhere where you can't even reach them. Barely visible. But as his friends, or as his friend, let me speak for myself, as his friend, I was concerned. And that concern had nothing to do with his political beliefs or mine. Okay? I wanted to know that he's fine. And good enough, navayo, nawona, nasigala ngatamzo bulambwe as a politician until today. Bobby Wine yomu ku bantu bensinga okusanyukira nga afunye milestone. Nsanyuka nnyo kuba mmanyi gye yava. Ng'omuntu, not as a politician. Nsanyuka nnyo okulaba nga afunye byafunye, because omwami oyo, he believes in himself. Like he just told himself, I'm going to make it, and he did. So based on where he came from and where he is right now, you have to respect it. Am I happy for him? Absolutely. Am I happy to see him succeed and to see his family flourish? Absolutely. Do I have the same political beliefs as he does? No. Ate ekyo buli omu alina eddembe lye. Just because ndi mukwano gwa Bobby kyali tekitegeeza nti nina okugenda and join his campaign, his political campaign. Nange ndi waddembe okukola nze byenzikiririzaamu ng'omuntu kuba we are different. Bwe mugamba mbu lwaki tojoining a struggle, I think that's not fair, because oba tompadde nze chance nange kola byange nze byembelievingamu. Ate ekyo tekitegeeza nti ye byakola bibi oba tebirina lugendo oba tebirina purpose. No. Just kitegeeza nti byakola birala nange byenkola birala, but we're friends and we wish each other well. I'm talking about this because I've seen people over the years, not just this weekend, not just this year, nga banvuma ne nga banvumira mu linnya lya Bobby. You know, nga bampita traitor. I even saw someone calling me speciosa. Like, oluusi binsesa. I'm like, whatever, man. Nga out of respect for Bobby, nga I'm ignoring nga sagala kwega kubifuula nsonga. So I used to ignore it. But maybe that backdrop, I hope it helps you okumanya nti Bobby Wine and I tetulina buzibu with each other. We talk, actually. So I don't know why you guys have a problem with our friendship and how I should be how I should express my friendship with him. Or the other way around. Like, I don't need to come here to prove to you how much of a friend I am to Bobby, because he knows it. You get? So if you're please mubireke. But again, if you continue, I can't stop you. I can't control. Chemusala okugera okumvuma. Nsa be controlling a siri muvumi simanyi kuvuma. So sigena kuja wano and exchange with you. Another point, and this is just kuongeleza kuchino chemba dengamba, is for us to listen to each other, because I hear you when you're talking. Sorry, someone was at the door. But dengamba, when you guys are talking, mwangambye nti gwe Juliana tumanyi bugomi bwe tuyina. Munsonyi wembanga byenayogedde byaba rubbings the wrong way. That was not my intention. It wasn't my intention to come and open your wounds okubajukiza obulumi bwe mwina. I don't deny nti obulumi we buli. Ensi yaffe teri perfect. Nange nkimanyi. Ensi yaffe erina ebizibu bingi. Nkimanyi. Era ebizibu ebyo nkimanyi binyiga abantu bangi nga nange mwende. Nkimanyi. Naye kyensobola obbabuulira essaawa zino, ebizibu by'ensi yaffe tetugenda bimalawo nga twevuma. Ebizibu by'ensi yaffe tujja bimalawo when we learn to dialogue and talk to each other. Leka babeere abali mu buyinza kati. Gwe okubategeeza ekikuluma ayinza obutakuwuliriza bujja ng'omuvuma. But again, I don't want to come here and tell you what to do. Mwangambye ndekera bagambe ekyokukola. Naye nga that's it. Like, nze naawe tuyinza okuba nga tugwa ku political sides za njawulo, but at the end of the day tuli bana Uganda and we love this country fenna. Tujagala not because of ourselves, maybe because abaana baffe betugenda okulekawo wano abagenda okubeerawo 50 years down the road, maybe nga some of us tetuliyo.